Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to never get lost in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. There are two ways you can go ahead and do so. The first one is going to be by using a compass. So what compass does is compass shows you exactly where your respawn point is. So wherever you've slept last night with your bed, that is exactly where it's going to show it to you. If I am right, there might be my bed around here somewhere. I might not remember it, but it was somewhere around here, and hence my compass is pointing towards it. The second way you can simply go ahead and never get lost is remember the coordinates on the top left of your screen. As you can see, it says okay, let me just stay here. 182, 72, and 52. I can write this coordinates down, and whenever I go around anywhere, I can simply go ahead and head back to that coordinate to remember where I was. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.